On March 5th, 2024, in Florida, officers initiate a traffic stop for an obstructed license plate. The encounter escalates when she refuses a direct order to exit the vehicle.
How you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Good. Can you roll down this back window, please?
There's a bunch of stuff that's gonna fall out, but
Oh, it will? Okay, okay.
So
You can put it back up. You can put it back up. I couldn't see it. Your tint is so dark. There it goes. Do you have a driver's license on you? How you doing, sir?
This
Good.
is expired. I do have a non-expired one.
Okay, sounds good.
It's just broken in half.
Yeah, that's fine. Sir, do you have an ID on you?
Yes, sir.
215 is there canine in the cell phone?
Also got units for current training in P4. Try to get my training 3.
34, they're too far out.
What did you say?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know what you have in your bag, and I feel very uncomfortable with you keep on digging in there. Do you mind not digging in your bag, please?
ID, of course.
I got you. So you do have a license, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir?
It's expired.
Okay, that's your ID? Okay, cool. So where are you from, ma'am?
California.
California? All right. You do have a California valid driver's license? Okay, you do? All right. You want to step out for me real quick? I want to figure out your driver's license situation, okay?
Why do you
Because I want you to step out of the car. You're not going to? 215, another unit, refusing to step out of the vehicle. You ain't going to step out of the vehicle?
Why can't I stay in the car for you to look up my license? Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle. I ain't playing this game. Just do what? Step out. Step out. Hands behind your back. Keep your hands behind your back. Face it from the door. Come here. You got weapons on you? Come on. Take a seat. Take a seat. Step out of the vehicle. Put your hands behind your back. You're just being detained, okay?
Okay,
I appreciate your cooperation.
all right. I'm just along for the ride.
I got you. Who's she to you?
She's a friend, and
Sit back. You got any weapons on you?
no, sir.
Careful, pat you down, bro.
You can pat me down all you want. The guy I work with,
Yeah, 10-4, you can downgrade, but I'm gonna need another unit.
it's his
Normal.
friend. And,
She's a girlfriend.
yeah, it's his girlfriend.
Other than that BB gun, is there anything?
There's nothing.
Any illegal narcotics?
No, sir.
25 hour 250.
Officer,
Huh?
may I see your ID?
Like my
Your badge and your ID?
Yeah, sure. You want to speak to a lieutenant?
Oh, yes. All right. I'd like to see your ID.
You want to speak to a lieutenant? Lieutenant Nash, he wants to speak with you.
Show me your badge.
No, you're not
Your
stepping.
badge and your ID.
No, you're not stepping out, okay?
Show me your badge and your ID.
She's trying, Samantha. She's trying.
Samantha,
I would like to see his badge and his ID.
first of all,
He,
no, listen,
no.
listen. All right, then you're gonna go to jail.
Can I see your ID as well?
My ID's right here.
Can I see it?
You're about to go to jail. I'm trying to talk you out of going to jail.
You're required to show me your.
There, you see it?
That's a government ID?
You happy?
Yeah?
All right.
Let me see your badge number.
I don't have a badge number. California. Yeah, you ain't in California. Ain't in California. My radio number's 25. You good? All right.
1026 of 22.
He's gonna read your Miranda warning.
Okay.
Okay, totally talking yourself into going to jail.
Do you know what Miranda is?
She did not have a.
Do you know what Miranda is?
No, I do not.
My reason was stay back.
Over there.
The reason why I pulled you, and I'll explain the reason why I pulled you over too. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You also have the right to stop answering. You,
Your ass in
not
You
fucking moving.
have the right to not answer questions.
You
You have the right to put your hands on me.
can I finish this? Yeah, I do. You will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand, Miranda?
Can you read it one more time?
Do you understand, Miranda?
Can you read it one more time, please? I didn't quite get all that.
Yeah, sure. Because you were moving. What you need to do is stop talking and sit there.
It takes me a while to understand
Okay.
everything you just said. Can you
Okay.
say it one more time, please?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
All right, I'll say it one more time for you.
Please.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice.
She can go to jail. She needs to go to jail.
And to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand, Miranda?
I'd have to answer that, but yes.
Okay, yes, you do understand, Miranda.
May I please get out of the car?
Okay, no, you're going to sit right there. I can smell alcohol coming off of you. I saw a Red Ryder BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. Pennsylvania v. Mims is case law where I can ask you to step out of the vehicle. Huh?
I had one drink earlier today. Maybe that's why you smell it. That's a BB gun. It's not mine.
Okay, sweet. So you're admitting drinking alcohol.
Hush.
Just wait. Let me finish, and then I'll let you talk. I pulled you over because you don't have a tag attached to the outside of your vehicle that's displayed outside the vehicle, okay?
You can't see it right
So I smell alcohol. I don't know what she said. I don't know. I smell the alcohol.
But you can't see it. It's covered up because I'm moving right now.
Yeah, in the state of Florida, you have to have registration on a motor vehicle on the outside of the vehicle, on the rear of the vehicle, okay?
I was not aware of that.
So I can smell the alcohol. I saw the front grip of what I thought to be a firearm. It was a BB gun. You refused to step out of the vehicle. I am going to take you to jail, okay? And I'm going to do a DUI investigation on you as well, okay? And if you want to do that, you can. That's entirely okay, and that's fine. But you're going to jail regardless, okay?
Jail for what?
For resisting without violence. I'm still getting back on your driver's license. I'm not still on that.
Your proof of identification. How are you able
I didn't have to. Resisting without violence, and I'm going to charge you a DUI, okay?
to trust anybody who comes up to us?
We're in uniform.
What am I driving? What am I driving?
All right. Well, that can be your argument in court then. That'll be a good one.
Is there anything illegal inside the vehicle?
No.
Okay, is there anyone within like 15 minutes can come pick your vehicle up?
That's fine. It'll be towed.
I choose to not answer any of your questions.
Sweet.
It's towed.
Inventory.
Oh, please, man. But more stuff if you're not going to.
That's the only way I can come back. That's my ride home. Your vehicle's getting towed, and if you can't, huh? I already showed you ID. No, we're done with that. We're done with that. You obviously know we're cops. You want to play silly games, you get to go to jail. And you don't want to figure out what to do with your vehicle, it's getting towed. And every day you don't get it, it's going to be a fee in the impound lot. So good luck trying to get that out. You don't need to see his ID.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
By law, you were required
Move
to
your-
show me ID.
Move your damn
No.
foot.
You don't put your freaking hands on me.
I said
By law,
move your
he's
foot.
required. He's
By
required.
law, you don't know what you're talking about. Where was that?
Sitting right beside him.
Ain't mine. Of course it's not.
Oh man, that ain't
Mr.
got nothing
Thomas.
to do with me.
Mr. Thomas. Do you know what Miranda is? Just
I'm sorry, man. I'm just
hang out here with this lieutenant. I wonder if this was loaded. Oh, yeah, it's got BBs in there. Does Samantha have a valid license? Kiwi Peach, Simply Spiked, contains alcohol.
10-4 valid.
I'm gonna give her a ticket for an open container too.
100%.
She was doing 56 in front of me in a 45.
You want to get caught by the police.
Tom, is this your phone?
Under the Fourth Amendment, an officer may stop a vehicle upon reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation. An obstructed or improperly displayed tag satisfies that threshold. Once lawfully stopped, Pennsylvania v. Mims authorizes officers to order a driver out of the vehicle without additional suspicion. Refusal is not protected speech. It can constitute resisting an officer without violence, which requires proof that the officer was lawfully executing a legal duty and the defendant willfully obstructed or opposed that duty. The officer also cited DUI. That charge requires proof of actual physical control of a vehicle while impaired or with unlawful blood alcohol content. The odor of alcohol, admission to drinking, and observed driving can establish probable cause for arrest in a DUI investigation. Open container and speeding were also articulated, each requiring proof of possession of an open alcoholic beverage in the vehicle and exceeding the posted limit. Miranda was properly triggered after custodial arrest and before interrogation. The law here is not complicated. A lawful stop plus refusal to exit equals probable cause for arrest. Constitutional rights are powerful, but they are not optional compliance clauses. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.